dito. Enjoy life at Bright FM 91.9. Friends tayo. 91.9. Bright FM 91.9. Bright FM. Friends tayo.
Coming to you live from the news desk of DWBL-FM 91.9. This is Brightline News.
Mayap agad panapon, iniing Bright Light News. At para karing buntok ding balita ngayon Webis. A 1 ning Mayo, 2025. Pamamisaling 20 pesos a abias, siguradong emisamutan politika. At naiya personnel, paintulutang talnan, ring pasaporte. At para karing detalye, sigurado ning Department of Agriculture, misamutan politika, ing pamamisaling 20 pesos balang kilo ning abias, King Visayas. Katuki itining pamalatunang Vice President Sara Duterte, paralan yamo ning gobyerno, ing 20 pesos a rice project, balmanyambut ring kandidatong at yulalab ning Alyansa para sa Bagong Pilipinas. Pisyag ng Agriculture Assistant Secretary Genevieve Guevara. Matalik pagbawal ning Commission on Elections gamitan ring kandidato ing 20 pesos sa abias para king pamangampanya. Samantala, ibawal la ring airport security personnels atalnan ing passports ding pasaherong lungog karing terminal airlines. Itiag pang mismo, king kapanibala ning Ninoy Aquino International Airport, kayari ing insidente ning punit passport, atala kapilan pamo. Kaugnaniti asahan ding pasaheros, ing mas meging matalik seguridad anong lukarin, ipakit namo king checking at verification ning passport, tatalnan mismo ning makibandi. Atanda ng kaniting 15 ning Abril ating metong pasaheros, ingemi pa intulutang makapaglakbe papuntang Bali, Indonesia, pauli ning malating gisi, amayakit king kayang passport. May paganakaneman ing Department of Transportation karing pasaheros, asiguraduan ning validity at kondisyon ning karelang pasaporte, bayo maglakbe. At ako po, ichinsinugid, mayap agad panapon.
This is Brightline News.
This is DWBL-FM 91.9, a proud member of the Catholic Media Network.
It is now 3:40 p.m. This time check is brought to you by Tanduay Select. Take your shot.
Angie Moore, don't forget the floaters, ha?
Yung sunblock na dala mo ba?
Yeah, it's hot kaya there.
O tara na! Let's go, go, go!
Wait! Teka lang! Huwag niyo kaming kalimutan isama, ha? Ngayong summer, make sure to bring good vibes with you. Let's sound trip by the beach or chillax with fun music by the pool. Basta kung gusto mo ng good vibes vacation, kasama mo kami.
Tara na mga ka-vibes! Enjoy your summer with us!
Because here at GB, we'll make you feel good anytime, anywhere.
This is GB 99.1!
Syudad ng Mabalacat, iboto, number 1 sa balota, Attorney Jel Aquino para Mayor.
Attorney Jel Aquino, yung Mayor! Attorney Jel, yung Mayor tamo, serbisyong tuloy-tuloy, Syudad Mabalacat! Yung Mayor, Syudad Mabalacat, Attorney Jel Aquino, abogado ni Masa, ganaka, at abilidad.
Syudad ng Mabalacat, iboto, number 1 sa balota, Attorney Jel Aquino para Mayor.
It's me, your auntie! Idol Melay para sa Rexidol Forte. Mas bilis banat sa binat at sabay-sabay na sakit. Binat na may sakit ng ulo o sakit ng katawan na may lagnat. Kahit 1, 2, 3 o 4 ang nagsabay, char yan. Idol! Ang idol ko, Rexidol Forte. Mas bilis banat sa 4. Faster versus paracetamol in as fast as 30 minutes.
Alagang Unilab yan.
Paracetamol caffeine is a generic name of Rexidol Forte. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Rexidol Forte. Bilis banat sa 4. Gusto niyo ng chance manalo ng 1 million pesos? Cash, motorcycle, o Ginebra jersey? Since nanalo ko muna, Runs from March 15 to July 31, 2025 for DOH FDA CFRR permit number 0017 series of 2025. Drink responsibly.
Gin is in. Gin to win. Gin's Tanalo sa One in Every Nation. Promo runs from March 15 to July 31, 2025 for DOH FDA CFRR permit number 0017 series of 2025. Drink responsibly.
Uy, low blood ka, diba? Pero bakit parang glowing ka? First Sulfate yan.
United Home First Sulfate Iron supports healthy blood for a healthy glow with proper diet and healthy lifestyle.
Unilab yan.
Iron is the generic name of United Home First Sulfate Iron. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
United Home First Sulfate Iron. Healthy blood para sa healthy glow.
Sa Saridon,
pain, panis ang pain. Starts to release in 5 minutes. Mag-Saridon, gamot na pain lahatan. Indicated for fever, body pain, headache, toothache, dysmenorrhea. Pain, panis ang pain. Saridon lang ang kailangan.
based on in vitro study, individual response may vary. Paracetamol plus propionate plus caffeine is the generic name of Saridon Triple Action. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Saridon, di lang pang headache, pain lahatan pa.
Mr. Nuts Peanut Butter, made from 100% peanut, no extender, not too sweet, naturally delicious, not your ordinary peanut butter. Mr. Nuts Peanut Butter comes with different flavors, non-greasy classic creamy, zero sugary creamy, premium creamy, and premium crunchy. Nothing's better than Mr. Nuts Peanut Butter. Every bite, rich, nutty goodness. Available now in your local general store.
Ubong di nawawala. May bacteria at virus
yan sa baga. Mag-Solmux Advance. Magaling maglinis ng lungs. Kaya mabilis magpagaling ng ubo. Solmux Advance, now in liquid. Resolve copy phlegm in as fast as 3 to 5 days when taken 3 times a day. Carbocysteine plus zinc is the generic name of Solmux Advance. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Magaling maglinis ng lungs, mabilis magpagaling ng ubo.
GB 99.1 goes online. You'll never miss your favorite DJ now or online. Just visit www.mixlr.com/GB-991 or download the Mixlr app and search for GB 99.1. Ito na ang mga nagbabagang balita.
The morning roundup headlines.
Ikaw ba ay alerto? Updated sa balita at gustong maglingkod sa bayan? GB 99.1 is hiring. We are looking for a news person. If you have the following skills and abilities, apply na. An understanding of journalism, knowledge of research, writing and fact-checking, and the ability to conduct and schedule interviews. Apply now. Just send your CV or resume to yourdriveradio@gmail.com.
Pabili! Pabili po!
Mamaya na! Wala pa kaming tindera!
We're also looking for a salesperson. Must have a background with marketing. Apply now. Just send us your CV or resume to yourdriveradio@gmail.com.
Mga vibes, my name is DJ KG Boy. Catch me every Monday to Friday from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. for the morning roundup. Only here at GB 99.1 and GB 99.9, your good vibes.
This song is brought to you by Tanduay Select. Take your shot.
This is the playlist for your heart and soul. Fine Tunes on RW 95.1 FM.
Ang dami kong kailangan tapusin o end of the month pa.
Deadline na naman next week.
Pero gusto ko na dagat!
Humiga sa buhangin.
At iwan ang stress.
Kahit road trip,
island hopping,
o kahit simpleng chill sa beach,
RW 95.1 FM
ang kasama mo sa iyong summer adventure.
Non-stop feel-good music.
Non-stop feel-good hits.
Tamang summer vibes sa road trip.
I-enjoy mo lang ang tag-init.
At huwag kalimutang mag-ingat.
Cause you know it's very hot.
RW 95.1 FM.
Sama-sama tayo sa ultimate summer saya.
Maghapong kumakayod.
Sino ba yung wala pang bayad dito?
Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat, mga bata.
Hindi alintana ang init o lamig ng panahon.
Bili na.
Patunay lamang na walang pinipiling klima o temperatura ang pagkayod sa pamilya. Isang taas kamaong pagpupugay sa lahat ng manggagawang Pilipino sa iyong marangal na paghahanap buhay, dugo at pawis na patuloy mong iniaalay. May nakaabang Nangiti ang bukas mo. Isang buong pusong pagpupugay sa lahat ng manggagawang Pilipino mula po sa RW 95.1 FM.
Leading the airwaves, RW 95.1 FM.
Entertaining music and significant news all the time. RW 95.1 FM.
Your 16th, 20th, 24th, and 27th KBP Golden Dove Awards Best Provincial FM Station in the country.
You're listening, buddy, all day. RW 95.1 FM.
Proud member of the Kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
Luka rin ka pa. Kanina ka.
Halika na. RWFM. Joining us, doing a date with the best station. Kanina ka. Radio 95.1. 95.1. Kanina ka.
Ang mga kuro-kuro na inyong mapapakinggan ay tanging opinyon po lamang ng mga panauhing tagapagsalita at hindi sa pamunuan ng himpilang ito. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybay.
Dahil mahalaga ang iyong boto, kaantabay mo ang RW 95.1 FM, CLTV 36 at Commission on Elections sa pagkilala sa mga nagnanais magsilbi sa ating bayan. Abangan at tutukan ang paglalahad. Lunes, Martes, Huwebes at Biyernes, alas 4 hanggang alas 5 ng hapon. Mapapakinggan sa RW 95.1 FM at sa bayang mapapanood live sa CLTV 36. CLTV 36 at RW 95.1 FM. Ang paglalahad 2025.
Para sa Pilipinas, 1 minuto makalipas ang alas 4 ng hapon, isang mainit na pagbati Central Luzon.